Good morning students. I hope you all are preparing well for your annual exam. Today in this video I am going to discuss with you all short answer type question and long answer type question of chapter number 12, which is friction as force. So let's begin with short answer type question. What is friction? Your first question is what is friction? I taught you about your previous classes about friction. So the question is here now, and your first question is what is friction? So the answer is friction come into effect when two objects are in contact with each other. The force that acts between the object and the surface is called friction. And the second question is give two examples of friction related to our daily life. ऐसे दो एग्जाम्पल्स दीजिए जो कि आप अपने डेली लाइफ से रिलेट करता है. The first one is we can walk because there is friction between our feet and the ground. हम लोग चल सकते हैं. ये किस वजह से होता है? फ्रिक्शन की वजह से. अब ये फ्रिक्शन कहाँ लगता है? हमारे फीट और ग्राउंड पे. उस बीच में जो फ्रिक्शन बल काम करता है, घर्षण होता है, फ्रिक्शन होता है, उसको हम लोग फ्रिक्शन कहते हैं. फ्रिक्शन की वजह से हम लोग चलते हैं. वी कैन वॉक बिकॉज देयर इज फ्रिक्शन बिटवीन आवर फीट एंड द ग्राउंड. एंड द सेकेंड वर्ड इज वी लाइट अप अ मैचस्टिक यूजिंग फ्रिक्शन. We light up a matchstick using friction. And the third question is why grease is used in engine? Grease का use क्यों किया जाता है इंजन में? And the answer is grease is used in engines because when we applied grease on the moving parts of engine like that of cars and electric fans reduce friction. हम लोग जब ग्रीस का यूज करते हैं इंजन पे तो ये क्या करता है? फ्रिक्शन को रिड्यूस करता है, फ्रिक्शन को कम करता है. एंड लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन. इन द लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस वी हैव 4 questions and the first question is write 3 uses of friction in your daily life. 3 uses of friction in your daily life. The first one is we can ride a bicycle because there is a friction between the cycle tire and the ground. Like we can walk because there is friction between feet and ground. And the second one is we can walk because there is a friction between our feet and the ground. And the third one is we can write with chalk on the blackboard due to friction. We can write with chalk on the blackboard because blackboard due to friction. So the second question is what will happen if there is no friction? क्या होगा अगर फ्रिक्शन नहीं होगा? So the answer is without friction an object in motion would never stop. बिना फ्रिक्शन के जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट जो मोशन में है, गति में है, वो कभी रुकेगा नहीं. A moving car is able to stop only due to friction. If there is no friction, we cannot able to walk because there is no friction between our feet and the ground. And the third question is list 3 harmful effects of friction. 3 harmful effects of friction. List 3 things. So the 3 harmful effects of frictions are: first one is friction can cause difficulty in sliding a heavy box across the floor. The second one is friction rise to unwanted heat. To reduce this heat, engines of cars consume a lot of fuel. And the third one is friction causes wear and tear of the surfaces of objects that constantly move against each other. And the last question, Question number 4 is explain how friction can be reduced. Explain करें friction को कैसे हम कम कर सकते हैं. So the answer is friction can be reduced by using substances that can smoothen out the two surfaces in contact with each other. These substances are called lubricants. For example, oil and powder. So now the chapter is complete and I hope you all are understand well. If you have any type of doubt about this chapter and about any question, so you can ask me immediately on Google Classroom. So till then, bye. Thank you so much.